Students who are interested in nutrition typically are students who are interested in helping people in some way. They're interested in making lives better for people, and they learn very soon in our curriculum that they have the power to extend life.
Nutrition basically sets up someone's whole entire life and how they get to live, and just it affects everything. And I guess I never realized the gravity of how important nutrition is.
We're excited to tell students that we are an accredited program. We've been around for a long time, and we are preparing students to be professionals. We are small, but our students get opportunities that help them to be competitive with the larger schools.
There were so many opportunities for us to just go out and present nutrition information to the community. For every senior, for the entire year, we go once a week for 3 hours to St. Rita's Medical Center. So that really helped me be comfortable in presenting, and also being able to have clinical experiences where we got to learn how to write nutrition diagnoses. We were able to do disease states, and talking with not only other dietitians but also the physicians on staff really prepared me. And because of that, I was able to get accepted into Cornell University into their nutrition science program.
As faculty, we care about your career. We care that we develop you as a professional, and we care that we instill confidence in you so that when you graduate, you are one of the best candidates for the job.
And the faculty, they really want you to succeed in this program. So like if you have a hard time understanding a certain concept, they'll take time out during the class period to make sure that everyone is holistically understanding it.
We have 100% job placement, and we are well above the national average for the pass rate on the RD exam. And I think it shows that we take a very strong interest in our students from day one, and we help to develop them and to help them learn the content that they need to be successful.